Hello. So in this video, we're going to talk about another outlining strategy. Now, I've done some videos where I've talked about outlining before, but this one is a particular approach to outlining that takes you away from the sort of traditional thesis, topic, sentence, main point, topic, sentence, main point, evidence type of outline. I call this the says-does outline, but there's a couple of other names for it. One of the other names that I've heard it called by is the functional outline. And basically what these, I'm just going to call it the says-does outline. What the says-does outline involved is pretty straightforward based on the name. For each section of your essay, each paragraph maybe, or maybe, maybe every main point. So you may have a couple of says-does pairings within a paragraph. It's really up to you how you want to approach that. But for each section, each portion of the paper, you want to put two lines, one on top of the other. The first that says, the second that says does. And what you're going to do is go through the organization of the essay, the structure of the essay, and for each section you're going to identify what that section says, what information it's giving. What is this section presenting to the reader? Is this giving us an argument? Is this giving us evidence? Is this giving us interpretation? Is this giving us a main claim? Is this giving us a topic sentence? And if so, what is it? So what does it say? What information is being presented in this section? Then under that, you want to list what that section does. What's its rhetorical purpose? So is this meant to develop your ethos? Is this meant to appeal to the audience's emotions via a pathos appeal? Is this meant to build your argument via logos? Is this meant to present a counter argument or a counterpoint? Is this meant to clarify something? Is this meant to... What's the function of this section? So in this way, you go through the argument thinking not just about what information you're giving, but you're also thinking about why. Because the says section is basically what you get in a traditional type of outline, where you have points moving linearly. The does portion is where you're thinking critically about why. Why are you presenting this particular piece of information at this particular point in the essay? What's its rhetorical function? And so this should help you to develop stronger essay outlines, because here you're thinking about, again, not just what you're doing, but how everything fits together and why particular pieces of information are coming when they are.